So we're lying on our spine. The knees are bent. We're going to draw the shoulders back and down. In this position, we're setting up our quadruped. And it's important. The knees are bent. The feet are anchored firm. And the wide fingers and wide palms are anchored into the mat. We're going to draw the shoulders back and walk the fingers down and lengthen the back of the neck on the mat. The eyes are looking at the ceiling horizontal. In this position, we're going to just begin to feel the sensation of connection and breathing. As you inhale and exhale, lying on your abdomen, this is a great place to practice our activation of Uddiyana Bandha, our abdominals that support our spinal extensors as well for our core strength here. And we'll also practice our pelvic floor lifting as well. So as you're lying, let's begin to feel the sensation of our abdominals. Expand as we inhale, breathe. Belly and ribs and chest. Exhale, let it drop. Inhale, expansion. Exhale, let it drop. Inhale, expansion. And exhale, let it drop. Good. Keep going with this. Inhale. Exhale. Now, on the next exhalation, inhale, expansion. As you exhale, we're going to draw the belly into the front of the spine. Breathe, squeezing the ribs and the belly. And then inhale, expand, let it go. Exhale, squeeze the ribs and the belly muscles pull in. The low back stays exactly where it is. Inhale, expand. It's just a feeling, exhale, of the belly pulling into the front of the spine. And then inhale, expand. And exhale now. As you exhale, draw the belly into the front of the spine and hold the muscles in. And now the breath is going to continue, but now the rib chest expands. Exhale, squeeze everything. Inhale, expansion through the chest, the belly engaged. Exhale, this is what we call Uddiyana Bandha. Inhale, expansion. And while we're practicing this, it takes time to practice keeping this engaged. Inhale, expansion. Exhale, squeeze a little bit more, and inhale. We hold these muscles to support our torso. Now let it all go. Take a few breaths. From this position, as you inhale and exhale, we're completely supported and resting. Weight even between the ball of the foot and the heel, even between the right and the left foot and hip and shoulders and hands. Now we're going to relax every part of our muscles, the thighs, the belly, our buttocks, and we're just going to feel awareness of our pelvic floor muscles. These muscles are the muscles that are between the pubic bone and the tailbone. And so these important muscles are the floor, the support of our core strength. And these muscles will help to keep your internal organs in and help you to begin to develop good core strength throughout the entire body. So as you're lying here breathing, feel the relaxation of those muscles. We're going to inhale, and as you exhale, begin to tighten the muscles in your pelvic floor as if you had, and you can begin by tightening the sphincter along your backside, along the rectum, as if you were going to suppress the passing of gas. And gently as you tighten those muscles, they will feel a sensation of lifting even more anterior to the front of your body, and then release the muscles. And then we're going to tighten, feel those muscles. This is like a Kegel. And then release. And then tighten, pull the muscles into your body, and then release. And then tighten once again, pulling in, and then release. And one more. Begin to lift and pull those muscles into your center, and then release. Gradually, we will begin to tighten and try to hold those muscles for longer periods of time. Do not be surprised if they are feeling weak. They might tighten and then feel like, oh, they want to give out. Over time, they will get stronger. So now, we set up in our beginning bridge posture. Weight even between the ball of the feet and heels, even between the right and the left foot, even between the right and the left hip. There's a little space underneath our lumbar spine. That's normal. Stay right there. The shoulders are even between the right and the left side. The hands are reaching out. the lengthening of our neck so that there's still a little curve underneath the cervical spine. In this position, we're going to begin now to engage our pelvic floor. Inhale and exhale. Lift the pelvic floor muscles in and hug them in. Breathe. Engage. Inhale and exhale the abdominals and hold in this position. Now we set up for our beginning scapular stability, our upper body, upper quadrant strength, that our cervical strength starts from here. We're adding our pelvic floor and abdominals. We're going to hold right here as you inhale and exhale. Wide fingers, wide palms. Begin to press through the arms and strong. We're just pressing through the hands, the arms, as if someone was trying to lift our arm up. They wouldn't be able to. Breathe 1, hold steady, pushing the hands into the mat. Breathe 2, shoulders back and down. Breathe 3. Breathe 4, pressing strong, and breathe 5, and then release. In this position, sometimes when we draw the shoulders back and down, it's tempting for the upper back to come way off. We want to just keep as much evenness between the shoulders and the hips, and as we draw the shoulders back and down, then gently use Uddiyana Bandha, the engagement, to press the upper middle back into the mat. And now we're holding. Let's do that again. Pressing through the hands. Breathe 1. Strong through the arms. Breathe 2. Strong through the legs. Breathe 3. Breathe 4. And breathe 5. We're going to add, as you're strong through the feet, strong through the arms and shoulders, draw the belly in, pelvic floor. Pressing through those hands, we're going to squeeze the buttocks. Breathe, hold. And as you squeeze the buttocks, some of us are going to actually lift the hips up into bridge. Breathe 1. Never matters how high. Breathe 2. That you lift the hips. Breathe 3. Holding steady. Breathe 4. Press through those arms. Keep your bandhas. Breathe 5. And then slowly keep the presence through the arms, the legs. Lowering down. Inhale and exhale. And then slowly then let everything go. Inhaling and exhaling. From our bridge posture, we're going to continue on. Engage your abdominals as you're practicing and the pelvic floor throughout this practice, as that will become beneficial to improving your core stability and strength. We're going to engage the abdominals and pelvic floor as we draw our right knee into your chest, holding, hugging in gently. Inhale and exhale, draw the left knee up into the chest and hold. Hug the knees into the chest as you breathe. Inhale and exhale 1. Inhale and exhale 2. Inhale and exhale 3. Inhale and exhale 4. Inhale and exhale 5. From this position, our knees to chest position, we're going to drop the left foot down, and keeping the right knee up, we're going to find our strap and take it around the ball of that right foot. Stretch that right leg as straight as it'll go. Push the heel away, loop the strap, make a muscle through the thigh, and push the heel away. We want to take this stretch as far as we can feel something behind the legs. Breathe 1, shoulders back and down. Breathe 2, energy through the foot. Breathe 3. Breathe 4. And breathe 5. Very gently bend that right knee, breathing. Allow that knee to come down. Breathe, and that foot comes down. And then engaging through your core, we're going to draw the left knee up into your chest. Take the strap around the ball of that left foot. You decide how far you're going to go. Breathe 1, push the heel away. Breathe 2. Breathe 3. Breathe 4, and breathe 5. We're going to gently bend that knee, hugging the knee into chest, remove the strap, and then inhale and exhale, allow that left foot to come down. We move into our spinal twisting and lying down. In this position, you decide the arms might come out. We hug the abdominals and pelvic floor in the transitional movement. We're going to drop the legs over to the right side. If they need, they might benefit from having a blanket underneath, or the legs might drop all the way. This left shoulder might come off the mat, that's just fine, or it might stay down. Let's just hold in this position, looking over the left shoulder. Inhale and exhale, 1. Breathe, 2. Breathe, 3. Breathe, 4. And breathe, 5. Engage your abdominal muscles. We're going to come back center, inhale and exhale. And now we're going to drop the legs over to the other side. Bending and looking over that right shoulder. Inhale and exhale, 1. Breathe, 2. Breathe, 3. Breathe, 4. And breathe, 5. Engage your core muscles. Inhale, come back center, and exhale. We're going to let the legs rest for just a moment here, breathing. Inhale and exhale. Allow your body now. We're going to go ahead and move into our next posture, and that's our supported legs up the wall posture. So find your blanket, and if you will, lift the hips up onto your blanket. Some of us are going to stay right here. And we're just going to rest and feel the stretch of our body. And this is all we have to do as we're resting and breathing in our supported legs up the wall posture. Those who feel comfortable will get ready. We engage our abdominals to lift that right leg up into the air, breathe, and then maybe lift the left leg up, hold. And if it feels good, we might take that right leg straight and the left leg straight. We're not working hard to hold the legs up. They just kind of stay right up there. And they do not have to fall towards us. Just find a position that feels good. In this position, we're going to hold here. Inhale and exhale, 1. Breathe, 2. Breathe, 3. Breathe, 4. And breathe, 5. From this position, we're going to bend the knees, allowing that right leg to come down, and then the left leg comes down. When you feel comfortable, we're going to inhale, lifting the hips off of the blanket, and we bring the hips back down onto the mat. As you inhale and exhale now, we move into our fish posture, our Matsyasana. We have modifications for this particular posture. So those of you who feel comfortable will cross the ankles. We're going to allow the thighs to drop out to the side. And from this position, pressing, you decide. You're going to listen to the sensation. Many of us will just let the thighs drop outward. Some of us are going to lift the chest just a little bit as you inhale and exhale, and others might even lift a little bit more, pressing through the elbows. You decide what feels good to you. We're opening the front of the chest. Shoulders are pulling back and breathing. Inhale and exhale, 1. Inhale and exhale, 2. Inhale and exhale, 3. Inhale and exhale, 4. Inhale and exhale, 5. From this position, we're going to press through the elbows, letting our body come back into our resting position. This is time now for our Savasana, where we're going to rest. And as you're resting, allow your body, legs and arms to completely relax. We're going to breathe into this position as you inhale and exhale. Bring your attention to the muscles along your neck and your shoulders. And as you're lying, feeling the sensation of complete support, the breath moves through you easily. Begin to feel the muscles in your neck and shoulders releasing and relaxing, letting go of any tension. As you breathe, feel these muscles release and relax. Inhaling and exhaling. Focusing your attention on complete relaxation. Bringing your awareness to the muscles in your arms, your shoulders, your forearms, your wrists and hands. Your body has worked tremendously today. Look for any signs of muscular tension, and if you find any, slowly allow yourself to feel the sensation of complete relaxation, the muscles and the tissues melting into complete rest, inhaling and exhaling, breathing. Bringing your attention to the muscles along your spine, through the ribs and the abdomen, all the way around the pelvis and the hips. This area worked tremendously in your core. Allow these muscles now to take rest, to relax and release into the mat. And breathe in all relaxation, all comfort, and all support. Inhaling and exhaling. Steady and rhythmic. Allow the muscles in your thighs and lower legs, ankles and feet now, to completely relax, to melt into the mat, bringing your attention to the tissues and letting them rest, completely supported. Your body is on this mat and dropping into relaxation. As you are resting now, feel the entire body as you're breathing in beautiful, life-giving oxygen, breathing it in and allowing your tissues to receive the blessings of this breath. Feel the entire body resting into your Savasana. Your body melting into complete relaxation. Keeping your attention focused on the rhythmic, quiet, steady breath. Completely relaxed. Completely at peace. And for the next few minutes, allow your body to take rest. And breathe. When you're ready, stretching the arms overhead, we move the wrists and the feet, the hands, and lengthen a strong stretch. Breathe. Inhale and exhale, gently bend the knees. And as you bend the knees, engaging your abdominals, if you are so inclined to roll now onto your side. Coming onto our side, we're going to inhale and exhale, taking a moment to breathe. And when we're ready, we're going to roll up into the seated posture. At this time, we can take our blanket and, finding our blanket, come up into sitting supported. In this position, Sukhasana is our posture. So we might take one foot close into the center, the other foot comes in, but we're sitting tall, we're breathing, relaxed, inhaling and exhaling. Preparing to close this posture and close this practice with hands at heart center. One long, strong Om. Inhale. Inhale, reach the arms skyward, gently bring the palms together, move them past the mind's eye, drop them down into the heart center. Blessings to each of you. Thank you for allowing me to serve you in this practice. Thank you for serving yourself honorably, mindfully, paying attention to your breath. It's the most important thing that you'll do today. Namaste.